Welcome to the topic on internationalization and localization. Internationalization, abbreviated as ATN, and localization, often abbreviated as LET10, are essential aspects of modern web applications. They enable developers to build applications that can be easily adapted to different languages, regions. In Angular, internationalization is achieved through the use of the built-in Angular localized package. This package provides the necessary tools and APIs to mark translatable text in the application and handle the translation process. To mark translatable text in an Angular application, we use the i18 attribute and the ngx translate library. The i18 attribute allows us to identify text that needs to be translated. After marking the translatable text, we can use Angular CLI commands to extract the marked text and generate translation files. The generated translation files contain a placeholder for the translations. Translators can then provide translations for different languages and regions, and these translations can be loaded into the application. Localization is a process of adapting an application to a specific language, region, or culture by providing translations for all the translatable text in the application. Angular provides built-in pipes such as datepipe, currency pipe, and decimal pipe, which automatically format data according to the user's locale. Angular allows us to switch between different languages and locales dynamically. We can use libraries like ngx translate to handle language switching and loading translations at runtime. Internationalization and localization are crucial aspects of building user-friendly and accessible web applications. By following the process of marking translatable text, extracting translations, and providing localized content, we can create applications that can cater to a global audience. In this topic, we explored the concepts of internationalization and localization in Angular applications. We learned how to mark translatable text, extract and generate translation files, provide translations, and handle language switch.